Bahaj vera kot univerzalna svetovna religija združuje vse ljudi ne glede na rasno, politično ali kakršnokoli drugo pripadnost. Pred kratkim so v Čilu odprli nov tempelj, tako da imajo zdaj svoje hiše čaščenja na vseh celinah.
Zelo smo veseli, da smo imeli ob otvoritvi zadnje kontinentalne hiše čaščenja tam tudi predstavnice Slovenije. To je bil zelo pomemben dogodek in veseli smo, da smo bili kot Slovenija del tega. Bistvo hiše čaščenja pa ni samo molitev, kot bi morda pomislili. V veri Bahaj se zelo trudimo, da ne govorimo samo. Bahá'u'lláh pravi, naj bodo dejanja, ne besede, vaš okras. Zaradi tega je bistvo hiše čaščenja tudi služenje človeštvu. V prihodnosti, kot vidite na sliki, je hiša čaščenja nekako okrogla, v sredini ima kupolo, naokrog pa je 9 vhodov. 9 vhodov simbolizira 9 velikih svetovnih neodvisnih religij in pa to, da so vsi ljudje, vseh religij, vseh narodnosti, vsi predstavniki človeške rase dobrodošli v tej hiši čaščenja, kjer bodo posvečevali Boga.
It was really significant because this is an institution that has been designed by Baha'u'lláh, the founder of the Baha'i faith. And this stage is a completion for the Baha'is of South America. And later it will mean that there will be more national houses of worship and also local ones too. And the temple is open for everybody. The design is all about unity and including a space where really anyone can come to worship God, and the design is to nurture this attraction towards God.
At the opening of the temple, there were representatives from countries all over the world, and we went as 2 representatives from Slovenia. And there was actually people from over 100 countries that amounted to 5,000 people. And it was just so exciting. It was just a really amazing sense of unity among the people there. And yeah, there was people that were representing officials from Chile. And it was, yeah, a very special occasion that was significant. At the ceremony, there was expressions of culture from a lot of South American countries, like music and dancing, and this was really important as well, to see how the arts inform our understanding and can also be a form of worship as well.
V prihodnosti naj bi se okoli hiš čaščenja ustvarile tudi institucije izobraževanja in zdravstva, torej bolnišnice, šole, vrtci, domovi za ostarele. Baha'u'lláh opisuje, da bodo v prihodnosti ljudje šli zjutraj na molitve ob zori, potem pa se bo vsak odpravil na svoje delovno mesto, kjer bo služil človeštvu.